Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and services in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into how to apply for an Apple Card. If you're an iPhone user looking to streamline your finances with seamless integration into Apple Pay, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, before you jump in, make sure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, a resident of the United States, and have a compatible iPhone. Think iPhone 6 or later with the latest iOS. This ensures a smooth application process. Now, let's walk through the steps. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's that green icon that looks like a wallet. Once you're in, scroll down or look for the Apple Card section. If you haven't applied before, you'll see a prominent Apply for Apple Card button. Tap on that to begin. Next, you'll be guided through a series of screens where you'll enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and your annual income. Don't worry, Apple uses advanced security to protect your data. They'll also perform a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score much. After submitting your info, Apple will review your application quickly, often in minutes. If you're approved, you'll get the option to activate your card right in the Wallet app. You can even set up notifications for spending and payments. If not approved, you'll receive feedback on why and how to improve for next time. One quick tip: make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest software for the best experience. Applying for an Apple Card is not only easy but also rewards you with cashback on purchases and no fees for most transactions. There you have it. That's how you apply for an Apple Card. It's a fantastic tool for everyday spending. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.